Afternoon Media Air Conditioning. Today I just want to do a quick video on our square outlets. We're getting quite a few people online through our online shop getting confused with the different styles and taking the measurements of these outlets. So I just wanted to show you how to do it correctly and thought video would be best for that. So on our online shop we sell the MDO X and the MDO S style square outlets. They're from Polyair, and the difference between the two, I don't know if you can see that, but one has rounded corners, which is the MDO X, and one has the square corners, which is the MDO S. Okay, so these come as face only, which is just the grill by itself, or they come as a kit. Now the kit includes the adapter that connects onto the duct on top. Now I do recommend, if you don't have the exact same grill, if you're replacing the grills, if you don't have the exact same grills, that you do also get the duct adapter, because different styles and different brands of outlets will not fit into the same holes on your outlet. Okay, so the other thing I just want to show you too, we also have two different styles of clips. So we have the plastic clips, as you can see there, which are quite good, and they're perfectly fine. And we have the steel clips. Now the steel clips, I'll just quickly show you, can be a little bit tricky to put in, okay? But once you've been shown how to do it, they're pretty easy. So first of all, you want to line up the hole here with the clip. So the clip goes in where it's got the attachment, the little hook there, and it just fits in just like so, and then you push it forward, down like that, and as you can see, it just pushes out. Now that presses down onto the gyprock and pulls the grill up. So I thought I'd just show you that. Also with these grills, they come with 4 internal squares, and you can point the squares in any direction. Good if the outlet's near a wall, so you can push the air off the wall, or if they're in the center of the room, you can have them all in different directions, so it spreads the air around evenly. And you can open, on these ones, you can open and close the vents. I think all our square outlets now have got adjustable fins. The old ones used to have fixed ones, so that's the grills there. So I just wanted to show, the main reason for doing this video was to show you how to correctly size these grills, because we are getting a lot of people confused on sizing them properly. So as you can see, it has a flange right around it, so it gives you 25mm right around the whole grill. That's so you've got a bit of play when you cut out the hole for your grill, and any space will be covered up by this grill. Now and the correct way of sizing up these grills is taking the measurement from that side to here. So as you can see, we're not taking the measurement from flange to flange, okay? If we were doing that, we would be 50mm more than the other measurement. So it's really important. So if these were up in your roof, I would recommend taking the grills out and measuring it, so you don't have to take the actual grills out. So you can measure the internal dimensions there. So on this one, you can see that this grill is sized at 350mm, okay? So that is the correct way of sizing up these grills. I hope you found this very useful, and yeah, I wish you all the luck with any updates you're doing to your aircon. We can definitely help you. Please hit the like button. We do have more videos coming out, and thank you for supporting us.